we looking crusty as hell, but this is for a reason. Don't mind my bleached shirt. We are bleaching my hair. I've always wanted to look like Draco Malfoy's mother, and so we're gonna do it because fuck it, you know what I mean? Because I have contacts now. I got some contact cases and contact solution, but don't mind my PJs. It's how we're rolling today. We're gonna need a mixing bowl. I think I want to use 20 developer, and then we're going to use QuickBloom. This should be fun. Also, it's day 2 of wearing my contacts, and I just want to say it's like a whole new world being able to see like literally everything. I'm not entirely sure what I was doing with my life back then, but by back then I mean 2 days ago, but I'm here for it. My hair is really oily, kind of gross. Let's put you at a different angle. Hello? I'm gonna go grab some gloves. Not gonna lie, I kind of wanted to do this in my room because it's warm in there, but why am I out of breath? We're gonna have to do this in the bathroom because I'm gonna fuck shit up if I don't. So let's get started. Now, this is what I wanted, kind of. And so we're gonna have to find the middle part of my head. Like, does that look like it's the middle? Kind of. Oh my god, my hair's so oily. Jesus. Gross. And then, I'm really not sure why I did that. We're not touching any part of the top part of my head. We're gonna start right here. Is that where I want to start? Let me look at a picture. Most of the pictures I saw, they went above the temple. So I guess we'll do that. And then we'll just, go down. Honestly, if it's not even, I'm sure it's fine. So this is what we have going on. Looks okay. I'm not gonna stop to check it. Yeah, this is happening. I'm a little scared. Should I do a TikTok of this? Okay. And I have a boxed hair dye. I know that sounds really bad. It is, oh, it's dark brown though. Do we want dark brown? Maybe. I was playing Genshin for a little bit, actually for far too long, like far too long. I got home around 4 and I just stopped playing. And I kept telling myself, okay Amanda, 6 o'clock you're gonna stop playing. 6:30 you're gonna stop playing. I eventually got off around like 6:40. It is 6:51. Do you see, what is that? Excuse me. Okay, I'm scared. I'm gonna do not my roots first because I know for a fact that that's gonna go way faster than the rest of my hair. Oh. I'm gonna take a scoop-ish, I think. No, I've done this before, okay? I've bleached my hair many times before. It'll be fine. Oops, that might be too much. Mixy, mixy, mixy. I'm gonna do I guess we'll do the front part first. Let's do it. Oh, we're doing it. We're actually doing it. Okay, time to wash it out. I had missed some spots. Whoop, not that. Over here and under here. Right here. I'm gonna wash this out for now. Get some hair dye for this top part and then come back to this tomorrow. It is Sunday, also known as Super Bowl Sunday, which I didn't even realize was going on because I thought all during this pandemonium they were stopping sports, but I'm ignorant to sports, so it doesn't even matter. Anyways, here on Amanda's gonna fuck it up again. It's your host, Amanda. We're gonna finish this. We're gonna try to finish this. I bought box dye. Do not try this at home. Please, God, do not try this at home. Consult a professional when doing this. Do not listen to me. That's all I have to say. I've been dyeing my hair and bleaching it since like 2014, so it's been a while. I'm in no way, shape, or form. I am in no way, shape, or form a professional. Please do not take my advice on this. We're just fucking around is what we're doing here. Because YOLO, you only live once. I hate myself for saying that. Let me go change into a different top. Ready? All right, I'm in my tie-dye shirt. It's not tie-dye. It is just a dye shirt. This is gonna be the hard part, is trying to partition my hair from last night. Fingers crossed we only get new hairs in and not get my old hairs up. Where's my rubber band? Probably downstairs. Today I'm hoping to get all of my hair bleached. Yeah, we're having So many issues right now. New hairs, I guess, are fine. They're just gonna be a bit of a nuisance, but it's fine. This is terrible. Whoa, it looks super orange. To be honest with you, right now, it's not as orange as it looks. It probably is. In person, that was a lot more difficult than I intended it to be, but okay, so I'm gonna show you. You see this in between part? We have to bleach that, and technically we just have to bleach. Well, that's getting bleached too, but we just gotta do everything. Oh my good Lord heaven, baby Jesus Christ. Now, yes, I did have Black's hair dye on this, and that's probably why most of this is turning out like that. I'm gonna just mix, and then we're just gonna go ham. We got everything. Now we wait. I got my roots the best that I could. So yeah, now we just wait. I almost forgot. Update. I bleached it again with 30 developer this time to try and lift what was here, but it didn't really, it lifted, but not too much. So now we're trying to get the brass out. I'll show you what I used, but I used a violet based, this is what it looks like. It is a violet based light ash blonde, in hopes that it might just get rid of the brassiness, and if not, we're going to have to wait until tomorrow because I'm not trying to damage my hair that much. But here we are. In about 5 minutes, we're gonna add the black, the soft black, and then I'll take a full shower and wash this all out. We'll see how this goes.
The next day.
This isn't the best lighting, but this is a day later. I should probably turn on some light so you can see. Look how red my eyes are. I just got off from work and I'm kind of tired. But this is, it got pretty white. You know what? Let's go to the bathroom. Okay. Oh. So you see the black kind of ran into the blonde. I probably should have done the black first, but that's a-okay because we got it to like a pretty white. But yeah, if you ever want to do this, don't do it by yourself. Consult a professional, please. Do not really follow my advice because I don't know really what I'm doing most of the time. You see, when you pull it up, it's like a streak. Why am I showing you in the mirror? I got a lot of questions if I'm really stressed out at work or if I'm just growing older. Like, that's so funny. Anyways, thanks for watching. This wasn't an epic fail like I thought it was going to be. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.